Hi Dressed Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a cute giraffe from Sticky Cow. So let's get started. To draw this cute giraffe, let's first start by drawing the head. So I'm going to start right here and draw a big dome-shaped curve. So let's go up, and I'm just going to slightly angle a little bit and then come up nice and high. And round this part off and come back down. So as if you're drawing kind of like an upside down U, right? So bring it down to the other side at the same level. So now that I have that big curve in, I'm going to draw the mouth and snout area. So it's basically a big oval. So I'm going to start about right here, and I'm going to cut right across this curve to draw this kind of flat oval. I'll curve it right here. So I'm just going to pop it out a tiny bit and start to bring it in. There, so we got the basic shapes, bringing these two together. From there, let's go ahead and bring this to life. So I'm going to come into this area about right here close to this curve, and about right here I'll just draw a circle for an eye. And I'll give it a little highlight right here and shade everything else in. So same thing about right here. There, and I'll come above each eye and draw a small little curve, and then the nostrils about right here. Just going to draw two little ovals there, and then let's see, let's come back to the top, find your center. So about right here, just going to draw a little line, come out and thicken it up. So I'm going to draw 3 lines, and then about right here I'm going to go up, curve, and curve. You know what, let's just go ahead and connect it there. And then the ears, so we're going to come to the sides right here, and we're just going to draw a curve coming out and down. I think I'll flop mine down a little bit, and same thing on the other side, just to make it extra cute, and down. Then from there, we'll do the spots later. We'll draw the spots later. So let's go ahead and draw a very long neck. So I'm going to say about right here and here, nicely in the center. Let's go down, straight down for our neck of our giraffe. And let's see, depending on how much room you have, you can make your neck really long. But I'll say about right there. I can't make mine too tall, so I'll say about right there. And I'm going to go ahead about right here. We're going to start to draw the body. So just going to curve out and down. So let's continue this curve, this line all the way, and then let's curve this out to about right here. See how far out you want to bring the body, and say about right there. I'm going to stop and come into this area about right here. We're going to start the front legs. So it's kind of like drawing this V shape. So we can bring this down to about right here and come back over here, and we're going to create the feet. And so let's continue this line and bring it in a little bit. And I'm just going to bring it about to the same level, and then go ahead and do the same thing there. So then for the tummy area, let's say about right here, kind of where it splits, about right here, I'm going to go up slightly, and this is going to start to come down. We want to bring it in, and just like the front, we're going to bring it down, and let's bring it down to the same level. So about right there. And we're just going to go ahead and same thing. So just like a little V, and connect. There. And then the back. And connect. There. And then let's see here. Then let's come back, and we're just going to draw a curve right here, here, here for the hoof. And then for the tail, of course, so let's come about right here. We're going to draw a cute tail that goes up. And I'm going to draw a little kind of like a leaf right here. And then let's see, on the original, the Sticky Cow giraffe has a balloon. So if you want to do that, let's tie the balloon right here. We're going to go up, say about right here, and then we're just going to go ahead and draw this little end and then a big curve for the balloon. And we can tie it off right here. 2 little loops and then a string that comes down. So cute, right? And then let's draw the spots now. So I'm going to come back up here and I'm just going to follow the original kind of. So about right here, and then on the neck part. I really hope you have fun with this drawing and it brings a smile to your day. And then on the body, let's add a bunch of bigger ones. So maybe up here, here. Just gonna fill in the space. And a bigger one here. And of course, I'm gonna add one that kind of looks like a heart. And another one here. It's all up to you how many spots you want to add. Maybe one there. Here, and you should add one here, right? Okay. Well, actually, you know what? We shouldn't have done that. I'll put it over here. That kind of looks weird because it's mirroring each other. So I'm going to come back in here and just erase this real quick. But that is, I believe, pretty much it for this drawing of this cute giraffe inspired by Sticky Cow. I hope I helped you draw it fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.